In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PowerPoint slide orientation to portrait. This straightforward guide is perfect for anyone looking to tweak their presentations for a vertical display, which can be particularly useful for digital signage, posters, or any project that benefits from a portrait layout. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through each step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to customize your PowerPoint slides with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. This might seem like a basic step, but it's the gateway to all that PowerPoint offers, including the wealth of design and layout options we're about to explore. If you're greeted with the Start screen upon launching, that's perfect. You might see templates and recent documents listed here, but for now, let's focus on opening your existing presentation. Navigate through your files and open the PowerPoint presentation you wish to modify. It's okay if it's already designed with content. Changing the orientation won't erase your hard work. Once your file is open and you're ready to adjust its layout, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the PowerPoint interface. Here you'll find the Design tab, among others like Home, Insert and Transitions. The Design tab is where PowerPoint hides many of its customization tools, allowing you to alter the appearance of your slides. Click on this tab to proceed to the next step. Within the Design tab, you'll notice various options for customizing your presentation, including themes, variants, and crucially for our purposes, slide size. The slide size button usually sits towards the far right of the ribbon. It's a small but mighty feature that controls the dimensions of your slides. Once you find the Slide Size button, give it a click to explore the size options available to you. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a few predefined sizes and the option for a custom setup. Here's where the magic happens. Select Custom Slide Size. From the menu to open a new dialog box, this dialog box is where PowerPoint allows you to specify the precise dimensions and orientation for your slides. Now, within the Slide Size dialog box, look for the orientation options. You'll typically see two choices: landscape and portrait. Since our goal today is to adjust our slides for vertical viewing, go ahead and select Portrait. This option will switch your slides from the default wide format to a taller, narrower layout. It's an ideal choice for content that benefits from a vertically aligned display, such as flyers or social media stories. After selecting Portrait, it's time to finalize your choice. Look for the OK button within the dialog box. Clicking OK will apply the portrait orientation to your slides. PowerPoint might prompt you with a message asking how you'd like to adjust your content to fit the new orientation. This is particularly important if your slides were initially designed in landscape mode, as elements may shift or resize. Usually, you'll be given options to maximize content fit or ensure it scales proportionally. Choose the option that best suits your presentation's needs. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint slides should now be set to portrait orientation, giving you a vertical canvas for your content. This adjustment can dramatically change the visual dynamics of your presentation, offering a fresh perspective compared to the conventional landscape mode. As a final tip, remember that changing the slide orientation might require you to tweak your content's layout or design slightly. Take a moment to review each slide, ensuring that text, images, and other elements are appropriately aligned and visually appealing in their new portrait format. This might involve resizing images, adjusting text boxes, or repositioning graphics to better suit the vertical space. Whether you're creating a digital poster, an informational display, or simply prefer the portrait layout for aesthetic reasons, knowing how to switch your PowerPoint slides to portrait orientation is a valuable skill in your presentation toolkit. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to tailor your PowerPoint presentations to fit any vertical display requirements, enhancing your ability to communicate and engage with your audience. Happy presenting!